Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy ZKWASM. I have difficulty to pronounce it, but you can read it on the title. So yeah, first you can open your Binance apps and then go to your asset in the bottom right corner here. So yeah, you can go to your. So now you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top. And then you can search ZKWASM. Search it and you will find it on Alpha. You can click it. And then this is the chart because ZKWASM just get listed on Binance Alpha, so the chart is still like this. I don't know it's bad or not, but I don't think it's really bad, There is some opportunity, but you have to do your own research. So this is not financial advice. So yeah, you can also click see the details here by click info in the top, and you will find 24-hour high, low, and the volume. The volume is good, and you can check their social media. Also, you can check the audit. That's good. And if you want to buy it, you can just simply click right here in the bottom. And then you can instant buy. You can swap your USDT or other token to ZKWASM, or you can choose limit order. You can put the amount of the money, the price here. Select this. Yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.